morning. Myself शालिनी गर्ग, लेक्चरर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज जोधपुर। आज हम सब्ट्रैक्शन से रिलेटेड कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस करेंगे और एडिशन से रिलेटेड प्रोग्राम्स करेंगे। सब्ट्रैक्शन से रिलेटेड 3 इंस्ट्रक्शंस हम पहले कर चुके हैं। नेक्स्ट इज नेगेट। नेगेट ऑपरेंड मीन्स ऑपरेंड कैन आइदर बी रजिस्टर और मेमोरी. इट कैनॉट बी immediate data. It converts the operand in 2's complement form. All flags are affected except carry flag, which is 0 if register or memory is 0. Otherwise, carry flag is equivalent to 1. For example, if CX is 23AE and the question is negate CX, find 2's complement of 23AE. First write 23AE in binary. This is binary equivalent of 23AE. Convert it into 1's complement by writing 0 की जगह 1 and 1 की जगह 0. So it becomes 1101, 1100, 0101 and 0001. To convert it into 2's complement, add 1 to it and this becomes 1101, which is equivalent to D in hexadecimal, 1100, which is equivalent to C, 0101, which is equivalent to 5, and 0010, which is equivalent to 2. So after this instruction, value of CX is DC52. Now next instruction, compare operand 1, operand 2. Operand 1 and operand 2 can be any of these possible combination. It is similar to as for add and sub instruction. In this instruction, operand 2 is subtracted from operand 1, result is discarded. Only flags are modified according to result of operation. If operand 1 is greater than operand 2, carry flag is 0, 0 flag is 0. Operand 1 is equivalent to operand 2, carry flag is 0, 0 flag is 1. Operand 1 is less than operand 2, carry flag is 1 and 0 flag is 0. Suppose question is compare AH, AL and given AX is 3569. This means AL is equal to 69 and AH is equal to 35. We have to subtract 69 from 35 and modify the flags according to the result. The result is discarded. So we have to take 2's complement of 69, add 35 to it, and the result is this. Complement carry flag, which gives 1, and here you get 1100, 1100. This result is discarded. AL will still contain 69, AH will still contain 35. Only now value of carry flag will be 1, 0 flag will be 0, sign flag will be 1, parity flag there are 4 ones, so parity flag will be 1, auxiliary carry flag will be complemented, no auxiliary carry flag, so final value of auxiliary carry flag is also 1. So in this way only flags are modified and the result is discarded. Content of operand 1 and content of operand 2 remain same. Next, decimal adjust after addition. It converts result in AL into BCD. It is used only after add and add with carry instruction. For example, if AL is 65 in decimal, CL is 19 in decimal, and the question is add AL, CL. Then when we add these two numbers, we get it 7A. If after this we use DAA, it converts 7A to decimal. How does it convert? If the lower nibble, this is the lower nibble, if the result of lower nibble is between A or F, and if auxiliary carry flag is 1, then 6 is added to the lower nibble. Here the result is E, so 6 is added to the lower nibble. Now similarly for the upper nibble, if the result is in between A and F, and final value of carry flag is 1, then 6 is added here. But here the answer is 7 and no carry flag is generated, so we add 0. When we add 7e plus 06, the result is 84. So it converts hexadecimal number to decimal number. Next, now program to add two 16-bit hexadecimal numbers. We have covered all instructions related to addition. Now suppose we are given a program to add two 16-bit hexadecimal numbers. Suppose the data is x is 2, 3, 4, 5, y is 6, 7, 8, 9 and the question is x plus y. We have several general purpose register. You can move this to any one of the general purpose register A, X, BX, CX, DX. Similarly, move this to another general purpose register and use the instruction for add. For example, suppose I move this to AX, I write move AX, 2, 3, 4, 5. This instruction will move 2, 3, 4, 5 in AX. Now move 6, 7, 8, 9 in BX. So BX will be equal to 6, 7, 8, 9. Now to add the content of AX and BX, the instruction is add AX, BX. So AX will be equal to AX plus BX. That means the result will be stored in AX. You have to add the two numbers but converting it into binary and also calculate the value of carry flag. The last instruction will be breakpoint interrupt, that is INT3. That means it will execute instruction from this to this in sequence and after this it will interrupt. Next, program to add two 16-bit decimal numbers. Now, suppose we have data in decimal and we are required to add two 16-bit decimal number. For example, if x is 1434, y is 2678. Now, to add two decimal numbers, we cannot perform 16-bit operation because DAA works only on AL. So, we have to take one of the operand in AL, perform 8-bit addition, convert it into decimal and then add the upper byte. First we have to add the lower byte, which is 34 and 78 of the two number. The carry generated from the lower byte will be added with the upper byte. So to add the lower byte, we have to use the instruction add, and to add the upper byte, we have to use the instruction add with carry. And to convert the hexadecimal result to decimal, we have to take the result in AL. So suppose I move this first number in AX. AX is 1. Move AX, 1434. That means AX will be equal to 1434. Now in this 34 is in AL and 14 is in AH. Next I move 2678 in BX. The instruction is move BX, 2678. In this again 78 will be in BL and 26 will be in BH. Add AL, BL. I have to keep AL on the left hand side because the result should be in AL. Now this instruction will add content of AL and BL and store the result in AL. That is AL में हमारे पास 34 है, so it will add 34. BL में हमारे पास 78 है, so it will add 78. You can perform this addition by converting it into hexadecimal. For 3 it is 0011, for 4 it is 0100. 7 means 0 111, 8 means 1 000. Add the numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0, again 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, again 3 1 is equivalent to 1, with carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, with carry 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Converted back to hexadecimal, this is equal to A and this is equivalent to C. Now you can see here both the nibbles, even the lower nibble is between A to F and the upper nibble is also between A to F. So we have to add 6 to both the nibbles. C means double 1, C means double 1 double 0 and A means 1 0 1 0. Add 6 to double 1 double 0 and add 6 to 1 0 1 0. So it becomes 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, with carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, with carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, again 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, with carry 1, 1 plus 1 is again 0 with carry 1. So now converted back to hexadecimal, 0001 is equivalent to 1 and 0010 is equivalent to 2. So it is 12 and the carry flag is 1. So after DAA, this AC is converted into decimal, that is AL will be equal to 12 with carry flag equal to 1. Now to add the upper nibble, I need to move one of the bytes in AL और यहाँ पर हमारा जो रिजल्ट है वो भी AL में है. सो अब इस AL के रिजल्ट को I need to store it in some other register जिससे कि मेरा AL अपर बाइट को स्टोर करने के लिए फ्री हो जाए. सो I move the lower byte of result in register CL. Move CL, AL. This means AL के जो कंटेंट हैं 12 अब वो CL में आ जाएंगे एंड कैरी फ्लैग विल स्टिल बी 1. नेक्स्ट अपर बाइट ऑफ द फर्स्ट नंबर, अब मैं AH से AL में मूव कर रही हूँ क्योंकि DAA वर्क्स ओनली ऑन AL. सो मूव AL, AH. AH में 14 है तो इस इंस्ट्रक्शन के बाद AL में 14 आ जाएगा. Now you have to add the two upper bytes with carry. So instruction is add with carry AL, BH. दूसरी upper byte अभी भी हमारी BH में है. So I am adding add with carry AL, BH. So AL will be equal to AL plus BH plus carry flag. AL में अब AH की वैल्यू आ गई अपर बाइट दैट इज 14. BH में हमारे पास 26 है एंड कैरी फ्लैग इज 1. Convert these two. You can add 26 plus 1, that is 27. Now convert 14 and 27 in binary and perform addition. Convert the answer back to hexadecimal. You get 3B. Now after this, the use of DAA instruction again converts 3B to decimal. Here the lower nibble is between A to F, so you have to add 6 to the lower nibble, and when you add 6 to lower nibble, the results become 41 and this is in decimal. Now क्योंकि लोअर बाइट रिजल्ट की मैंने CL में स्टोर की, सो नाउ अपर बाइट भी मैं रिजल्ट की CH में स्टोर कर रही हूँ एंड द इंस्ट्रक्शन इज मूव CH, AL. जो भी राइट हैंड साइड में है उसके कंटेंट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाले रजिस्टर में आ जाएंगे. तो आफ्टर दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन CH विल बी इक्वल टू 41. द कंप्लीट आंसर विल बी इन CX रजिस्टर विच इज इक्वल टू 4112. सो after execution you have to check your result in register CX. And the last instruction is INT3, which is the breakpoint interrupt. You can add the two numbers in decimal and you can see the result is 4112. 1434 plus 2678 in decimal is equivalent to 4112. So we are getting the correct result. So this is all for today. Thank you.